Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get loan on Moniepoint. Before you begin, keep in mind that Moniepoint currently offers business loans only. These may include products such as working capital loans, overdrafts, and other business financing options. To be eligible, you must have an active Moniepoint business account and use it consistently for your business transactions. Generally, business owners who have maintained an active Moniepoint business account for at least 6 weeks and regularly process their business payments through the account may qualify for loan offers. To get started, open the Moniepoint mobile app or visit the Moniepoint web app and sign in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the loans or finance section if it is available on your account. Review the loan products available to you and select the option that best suits your business needs. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the application process. In most cases, additional documents are not required. However, if your business verification is unsuccessful, Moniepoint may ask you to provide supporting documents such as your CAC registration documents or a shop rent receipt. Carefully review the loan amount, repayment terms, and any applicable interest charges before submitting your application. Interest rates may vary depending on the type of loan product offered, such as working capital loans or overdrafts. After submitting your application, wait for Moniepoint to review your eligibility and business activity. If approved, the loan amount will be disbursed according to the terms provided by Moniepoint. You can monitor your loan status, repayment schedule, and outstanding balance directly from the Moniepoint app or web portal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.